Welcome to this channel, and this is VINDAL'S concept. I have done series of videos, especially when it comes to the basic topics you have to concentrate on while you prepare for your WAEC. And today I have come for Jamb, basically because of many students who are demanding for it. Okay, and in today's class I'm going to show you the best subjects or the best topics you need to concentrate on while studying for your mathematics Jamb, because if you heed to this instruction, you're going to blast Jamb. All right, I have them written here. So, and this is based on the information gathered for what has come, or the kind of topics that have been repeated over the past 8 years. Especially, I also did this from the last 5 years, from 2018. All right. One of the topics I would prefer you concentrate on will be exponential equation. Exponential equation is very important. It is basic knowledge that will help you in mathematics. It will just also help you in solving problems on differentiation. So exponential equation must be there. Indices, the laws of indices and their application must be there as well. Then you must also go into logarithms and then go into surds. So you must go into surd, exponential equation, surd, law of indices, and rules of logarithms. These are the ones you should go as we keep moving. Another one is decimals, decimal fractions. You know how to deal with fraction and decimals. Then business mathematics. Business math is very important while you're preparing for your Jamb. Then we go into statistics, which has to do with mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, and also pie chart. Then you go into probabilities, which has to do with replacement and non-replacement. You also have to study change of subject formula, very important, and then how to do simultaneous equation and factorization. You also have to go into binary operation, and as well as coordinate geometry, or sometimes we call it equation of a straight line. So equation of a straight line, coordinate geometry, or binary operation, very important. You go into permutation and combination. Permutation and combination is very important, especially when they give you mathematics and ask you in how many ways can this be arranged. It's very important. You go into trigonometry, and especially how to use surd in solving trigonometrical identities or equation. And then maybe elevation and depression and bearing, also very important. Then locus of a point, the locus of a point in construction. Locus of a point is good. Variation is very important. Polynomial division and addition and subtraction. I've mentioned business math. Then circle theorem. Inequalities, these are very important topics you have to concentrate on. Then inverse of a matrix and its determinant or just matrix as a whole, very important. Then talk about areas, area of a shape, plane shape, solid shape, and also shaded portion. Then and lastly, you talk about differentiation and integration. These major topics I've listed in Jamb, they are very consistent, and if you do this, you're going to blast. And remember, I still sell Jamb CBT. For those of you who want to go into Jamb and WAEC, I sell CBT for Jamb, for WAEC, for basic exams like junior secondary exams, common entrance, and all of them. Thank you for being part of the class. Please don't forget to share this video, like, and subscribe.